Chantal, say hi to our vlog.
Hi!
Say, how are you?
It's
How are you? So, me and Chantal is here preparing kasi meron kaming family reunion ngayon sa side ng papa ko. Amora side. Amora reunion. So, we are preparing kasi yung atin niya nasa baba na nakabihis na yun kanina pa. And yeah, as usual, pag meron tayong baby, laging mommies yung nahuhuli sa pag-prepare. And then yung baby naman natin ay nangdidisturbo kaya hindi tayo agad-agad natatapos sa ating ginagawa, Chantal. But it's okay. It's okay because Chantal is ready now. Can you stand up? I wanna you show your beautiful outfit for today. Come on, come to mommy. Oh, our baby. This is her outfit and she looks so cute. She's wearing her
Hi!
dili.
Unsa man yun do?
Ganun nga nga sa ton pangit man.
Ano man?
O ikaw?
Katong sayal?
Mm.
Kato?
Mm.
Taas mo na yung short.
Ano na lang. Yung kapatid ko. Okay, let's go back to Chantal's outfit. Oh my goodness. So yeah, she's wearing the skirt and her dress. Ito yung binili namin sa nung nag-shopping kami. Kasi wala kaming, hindi ako masyadong nagdala na mga gamit namin kasi nga hand carry lang ako. And I was planning na dito mamimili. Kaya yung binili kong gamit.
Hi!
Okay, mas okay man na. Come on!
Kiss tita. Oy, where are you going?
You're not finished yet. Show your outfit. So, this is Chantal's outfit. Her skirt, her beautiful skirt, and her beautiful t-shirt with her beautiful face. Okay, so nagmamadali na kami kasi yung sabi alas 4 daw yung start ng aming reunion pero ngayon pasado alas 4 na. So, yeah. Magbe-video ako para meron kaming remembrance. Yung atin niya nasa baba na kanina pa naka-ready. So, yeah, let's go! Chantal. Go! Chantal! Hi!
Cheese! Hi!
Kajam!
Tung na be.
Malapit lang yung ano namin, yung video.
Kalami sa piti-piti. Uy!
1 kilometer. 1 kilometer lang ba? Half lang ano? Half kilometer naman lang, no?
Hindi ko kabaluan ng mga yun.
Half rani. So, we are squeezing inside the car. Yan, pero okay lang kasi malapit lang naman. Alright, so Tagalog. So awkward na nagtatagalog. So, here you go. Yeah. We're here.
Really? Lab-lab man na auntie. Lab-lab man na ni
We're here
auntie.
already.
Orang kay balo close ang
Comfortable, but
balutan.
we're already here. Let's go down. Ang venue kay dari sa tindahan sa Huang Angkol. Sa Yahang Balutan sa Misaoy.
Ma, what's the date today?
Zoter Balot. Reunion sa mga Amora.
Eleuterio Senior. Ako sila palakpakan.
Chantal, let me see yours. Wow, let's go.
Okay, so, nakoy 700 diri Katuan yung bahinol. Ang first kay makadawat og 300,000. Ang maka-second makadawat og 200,000. Ang maka-third 200,000 gihapon. Shut up, this come. Pick one. Number 8. Number 8 from Marco. Oh, here. Crystal. Crystal, please come down.
Wow, you got number 8. This one is your gift.
Alex Ilagan Jr. Wala. Number 9. Okay, Merry Christmas, Crystal.
Mini food. This one is for Chantal. This one for Chantal.
This is for you.
This one for Chantal.
This is for you. Whee! Wow!
Later, you open your gift, okay?
Open. I'm gonna open this one.
Okay, you want Jet? You can get some. You can get some. This one you get here. You want? Which one you want?
Mama, I can take out like the stapler thing first. Looks yummy. Open. You can't eat that one. That one's really dangerous. Mine. Mine. Oh, look, that's mine. Hey, mine can be a piece. Chantal, you can't eat the lollipop. The lollipop.
Give lollipop to Jet. Give.
Oh, this one's me. The lollipop. You can't even eat lollipop. No, this one's me. It's okay. It's okay, Dad.
What you got, Nak? Can you open?
It's snacks. Yummy lollipop. A candy here. Candy here and lollipop.
So, pinasali ko sila sa exchange gift na pang kids. Yung mga, ano lang, pagkain lang yung laman. So, ito yung nakuha nila. Pinasali ko lang sila kasi first time nila para ma-enjoy din nila yung kung paano mag-celebrate ng Christmas dito sa atin, sa Pinas. So, mga pagkain, but daming chocolates, sweets. Usually, hindi naman nila ito mauubos. So, at least, na-try nila kung paano mag-exchange gift dito sa Pinas.